Today we'll be discussing life and disability insurance products that you can offer to your employees. Standard Insurance Company, also known as the Standard, is pleased to partner with OEBB in providing the following insurance products to your employees: basic life insurance, basic dependent life insurance, basic and optional accidental death and dismemberment insurance, optional life insurance, short-term disability insurance, and long-term disability insurance. Let's start with the basics. Why is insurance even necessary? Life insurance is designed to help provide financial support and stability to an employee's family should he or she pass away. AD&D provides an extra layer of protection if an employee dies or becomes dismembered in an accident. As dependent spouses, partners, and children recover and adjust to the loss of their loved one and his or her income, they often rely on the financial support afforded by life and AD&D insurance. Disability insurance is just as important. It replaces a portion of your employee's earnings to help them cover bills when an insured employee is unable to work because of a covered illness, injury, pregnancy, or mental disorder. Disability benefits can help meet ongoing financial obligations, such as mortgage or rent payments, expenses not covered by medical insurance. There are several plan options from which to choose. For basic life, coverage can range from $5,000 up to 3 times the employee's earnings. For basic AD&D, it can range from $5,000 up to 2 times the employee's earnings. All basic life and AD&D plans require 100% employee participation and are offered on a guarantee issue basis, which means that coverage can be selected without an employee having to answer health questions. When selecting basic life, you may also choose to provide a basic dependent life benefit option as well. For optional life and AD&D, you can select plans with coverage in increments of $10,000 up to $500,000. Optional life and AD&D coverage allows employees the flexibility of choosing an amount of insurance that fits their needs and budget. Employees can also elect to cover their spouse or domestic partner and children. Guarantee issue amounts of coverage are available when plans are being offered for the first time and to new hires thereafter. Basic or optional life insurance includes features such as waiver of premium, accelerated benefits, portability, and conversion. Members also have access to value-added services, including travel assistance and life services toolkit. You can select from one of the Standard's 31 short-term disability insurance plans to meet your needs and provide a wide range of options to your employees. These details vary according to the plan selected. The maximum benefit amount is the maximum benefit payable on a weekly basis to an employee with a qualifying disability. The benefit percentage is based on a percentage of your employee's weekly pre-disability earnings. The benefit waiting period is the length of time someone must be continuously disabled before benefits begin, and the maximum benefit period is the maximum length of time an employee could be eligible to receive a weekly benefit. You can select from one of our 24 long-term disability insurance plans to meet your needs. These details vary according to the plan selected. The maximum benefit amount is the maximum benefit payable on a monthly basis to an employee with a qualifying disability. The benefit percentage is based on a percentage of your employee's monthly pre-disability earnings. The benefit waiting period is the length of time someone must be continuously disabled before benefits begin, and the maximum benefit period is the maximum length of time an employee could be eligible to receive a monthly benefit. You can select short-term disability and long-term disability insurance plans as mandatory or voluntary. Mandatory plans require 100% participation of all eligible members. The employer pays the entire premium, and all coverage is guarantee issue. Voluntary plans are offered on a guarantee issue basis if the employee elects coverage when first eligible. There is no minimum participation requirement for voluntary plans. Enrollment is voluntary, and premiums are paid by the employee. There are some things you and your employees should know about voluntary coverage. First-time eligible employees, either new hire or first-time offered, can select voluntary STD and LTD with full benefits. Employees previously eligible but not enrolled for voluntary STD can elect coverage, however they will be subject to a late enrollment penalty. For those enrolling late in a voluntary STD insurance plan, a 60-day benefit waiting period penalty may be applied for disabilities occurring within the first 12 months of coverage. Accidents are not subject to the late enrollment penalty. An employee eligible but not enrolled in voluntary LTD when first eligible will be required to provide medical history and be approved for coverage. The Standard's STD and LTD insurance plans include services and features to help covered members return to work or stay at work. These include the Workplace Possibilities Program and plan provisions such as the Return to Work Incentive, Reasonable Accommodation Expense Benefit, and Rehabilitation Plan Benefit. As you weigh the options, you may conclude your budget simply won't allow you to provide all your benefit offerings on an employer-paid basis. Rather than not offering life and/or disability coverage to your employees, we strongly recommend making these valuable protection benefits available on a voluntary employee-paid basis. Voluntary coverage allows you to minimize costs and for your employees to gain access to much-needed protection at competitive group rates. Premiums are paid through payroll deductions for coverage that is paid directly to employees, and coverage is available on a guarantee issue basis if elected when first eligible. Before deciding on coverage that's right for you and your employees, please review the additional information available at the Standards OEB microsite at www.standard.com/mybenefits/OEBB. Thank you.